catch something. Alright, look at this beautiful creek. Water nice and blue. It's blowing, it's a little rough. But me and Jeff gonna try and throw out our lines and see what's going on. See what we can catch. Y'all stick around. Jeff has one. Oh, Jesus, what is that?
Catch and release.
Oh, man. Catch and release, you better believe it. A grunt. Well, Jeff got the first one. A grunt. Hey, man. Just not the size we're looking for. Jeff, you got anything? All right. Okay, spot where we was fishing. This where they actually did either #1 or #2 or the Pirates of the Caribbean. That's where they used to have all their props and fake, what you call that, fake pirate ships and all that. Yes, sir. They employed plenty of Bahamians up here when they was doing that. Old storage, oil storage place. Got a couple old abandoned buildings through the bush. Yeah, right in this big harbor with this big dock. That's where they used to tie up all the fake pirate ships and all that. To cut the scenes and do whatever. It's all rusted to shit now. But yeah, they have the big pirate ship right in there also. Like I say, filming all kind of scenes. Alright. Okay, yeah, that spot didn't have no big fish, only the little fish was biting, so we decided to pack up and leave, call it a day. But if you like the video, you know, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you all on the next one.